Hey, it's Gina from WTI, and I want to talk to you about the best cosmetic bag I have ever owned. So, what I love about this Cat Meyer bag is that you can see everything at once, and it takes so much of the frustration out of my day. I love that everything stays so organized because there's a place for everything. That middle compartment with the zipper is perfect for my tweezers and clippers, and then I never lose them. And on the sides, there's a perfect little pouch for my brushes. And on the other side, there's two pouches that fit my bamboo powder and then my blusher. It just makes the nerd in me so happy to have everything organized. Not only is it great for your everyday needs, but this is perfect for on-the-go travel, and I can't wait to use it for a trip that I'm going on next month. It fit my full-size shampoo and conditioner and hair treatments on one side, and on the other side, all of my facial products, including my night cream. I'm so impressed by how much this holds. Also, it's waterproof. So I tested that on the outside and it definitely beads off really easily. And then I accidentally tested it on the inside because my toner spilled and it leaked, but you can see that it did not soak through to the outside. So that makes me really happy. I got the off-white color and I love the canvas texture on the front and just how smooth and sleek this bag is and well made, especially with the gold accent zipper. It's just really cute. I'm so pleased with this cosmetic bag. It has absolutely exceeded my expectations, and that's my point of view.